Yeah, what's up? This is Big Lou. As you can see, welcome to the blizzard of 2011. They blocked my street off where I live. And as you can see, they blocked the street off here. And all the way over here, because there's a power line that's down. You can't see it. I'll zoom in, but this is my street. This is how bad the snow is. And as I'm walking up to my home, and yeah, it's bad. As you can see, I'm covered. About to get out of the street. As you can see, this is the police. Because, like I said, it was a power line that was out on the street, and buses of trap, which tells me I might not be able to get to work. That's the bus. It's pretty thick out here. Well, this is Big Lou. I'm out. Peace.